Okay, you guys, so I'm just making this video just to kind of go over what we went over today. So remember our prior knowledge of author's purpose. So it's pie, right? It's as easy as pie. So an author's purpose might be to persuade, it might be to inform, and it might be to entertain. And so you can have maybe just one or two of those in the same piece, or all three. Maybe they're trying to persuade you of something while also entertaining you. Maybe they're trying to persuade you and inform you. So today's learning objectives will be to analyze and respond to literary elements in the short story The Speckled Band, paying a special attention to the mood. And you're going to apply the reading skills to understand the author's purpose. So upcoming is the writer's workshop this Friday to work on bad behavior essay. And today we're just going to keep exploring that mood. So that's a mood, right? We've said that before. Moods are the prevailing emotional attitude in a literary work. Mood meaning the most important emotion or attitude or feelings in a literary work. The mood can be created and influenced by the setting, so the time and the place. It can be created through the tone that's set, or it could be created by the plot or the events. So notice in that Venn diagram, the setting, the plot, and the tone, as well as the word choice, all help to create the mood. So the tone, don't forget the tone, is the narrator's attitude toward his character, subject, or readers. Similar to the tone of voice, right? Your tone can be serious, sarcastic. Tone and mood, though, are different, so pay special attention to that. The tone is the narrator's attitude toward the characters and the subject or the readers. The mood is the feelings that you get created by the characters, the subject, or the readers. So a dark mist drifted slowly in from the sea. As I peeked from behind the skeleton of a wrecked boat, the moonlight dimmed and darkness closed in around me. I could hear the moans of the ships in the harbor pulling against their confining ropes. What emotional feeling does this passage create? Well, one thing we need to do is look at the actual words to get that emotional feeling. So look at these specific words. Dark mist drifted slowly in from the sea. Are there any words in that sentence that really just create the mood? As I peeked from behind the skeleton of a wrecked boat, the moonlight dimmed and darkness closed in around me. I could hear the moans of the ships in the harbor pulling against their confining ropes. So take a look right now on your own and just see if there are some certain words in there that create this tone or this mood. Hopefully you picked out some of these words. Dark mist, drifted slowly, peaked, skeleton, wrecked, moonlight dimmed, darkness closing in, moans of the ship, confining ropes. These all create the mood. Here are some different mood words. This is not all of them. But remember connotation? Connotation is the words or the feelings associated with specific words. It's not necessarily the detonation or detonation, or not detonation, sorry, there's no bombs here. Denotation, which is the dictionary definition. Connotation are the feelings associated with it. So gloomy, despairing, dreadful, haunting. These are all what we call negative moods. Neutral moods would be boring, calm, apathetic. There's not really any feelings there. Positive would be exciting, triumphant, joyful, playful. So connotation, if you remember, we learned about this last year, are those feelings associated with it. And these feelings create the mood. Lastly, when you're trying to identify the mood, ask yourself, look at the setting, the plot, and the tone, and ask, how does this make me feel? Find that supporting information. Well, this makes me feel uncomfortable, or this makes me feel happy. Why does it make me feel this way? Well, look at these words that the author uses, and that will help you identify the mood of any short story, okay? Good luck!